In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Replit AI suggestions. If you've been seeing code pop-ups and predictive completions while typing and want a quieter, more manual coding experience, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn those off without changing anything else in your workspace. Start by opening Replit in your browser. Head to your dashboard as you normally would. From there, open any one of your projects. Replit calls each project a REPL. It doesn't matter which project you choose. We just need the editor open so you can access the right settings. With your REPL open, look for the gear icon labeled Settings. Depending on your layout and screen size, you'll find this either at the bottom left of the interface or in the left sidebar. Click it to open the Settings panel. If you see multiple categories, stay focused on the area that controls your account-wide preferences rather than only the current project. Next, go to User Settings. This is important because the option we're changing affects how suggestions appear for you as a user, not just for a single REPL. Once you're in User Settings, scroll to the section called Code Editing. It may be grouped with other editor preferences, but it will clearly relate to how the code editor behaves. Inside Code Editing, look for an option labeled Code Intelligence or AI Code Completion. This is the feature that provides those predictive snippets and suggestions as you type. When you find it, switch the toggle to Off. As soon as you turn it off, Replit will stop generating AI suggestions in the editor. Most of the time, your choice saves automatically. If you still see suggestions right after toggling, give the page a quick refresh and continue coding. Disabling this won't affect essentials like syntax highlighting or basic editor behavior. It specifically stops the AI-driven completion prompts that appear in line. If you ever want them back, return to the same place and turn the toggle back on. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your interface looks slightly different, the settings may be nested under a similar name, but the path remains the same. Open a REPL, open Settings, go to User Settings, then Code Editing, and toggle off Code Intelligence or AI Code Completion. Also, remember this is a user preference, so it should apply across your projects when you're signed in. That's it. You've successfully turned off Replit's AI suggestions and reclaimed a distraction-free coding space.